And box, there's a map, locally board.
Mapology World Toy Jigsaw Toy. So this is a game about flags.
Puzzles.
It's about learning flags.
It's puzzles. I love puzzles.
Okay, open it.
Oh, whoa.
Back of the package.
Whoa, that's all.
Okay, let's open it.
Can I open it? Can I see the flags? I didn't get to see the flag. Wow. Yes, I'll get the flags.
So it comes with the sticks with the flags.
Can I do the flags? Can we try it out?
And then there's cards for games. The back of the cards. And then this is the flags. So there are two types of games. You can like memorize this capital, language, currency, area, and population.
And I have keychains.
And then there is this puzzle where you can stick in the flag. So let's open the puzzle.
Flags. Let's put it together. First, this piece.
So let's. Can you show it here?
Open this with the flags, Mom?
The little dots are for
The little dots are for sticking the flags.
Okay,
And
so you gotta
here's the
find the
flags.
continent.
Ow!
Antarctica.
And here's the flags.
This is where this one goes.
Open it up. Ooh, wow! This is
Just
so
put it here,
much.
Mimi. Put it over here.
Woo!
There's a bunch of
Can
flags.
I
So, for
I love
example,
the teal
Mongolia.
one. Oh, I love this one. That's the Israel.
Oh, let's pray for
This is
Israel.
pray for Israel because it's getting attacked by the bad guys. Well, I want to see which one I don't think that's flash.
So I think it comes with 48. This is what it includes: one world map, a jigsaw puzzle, 48 countries with 48 flags, and 48 learning cards. So let's put the jigsaw together.
I'll put it together. Bag of Turkey. And I like the teal one. I like this one. This is from Israel and Jerusalem. Can we try sticking one? What is that one?
So this is where you're gonna stick the flags.
Where's the... Oh, there's the American flag.
So this is a really good game for like homeschooling. It's a fun way to learn the flags and the world.
Happy.
So we got the.
Here's a favorite. And this one's from Canada. Two are my favorite flags. The one says Israel and one says Canada. Where's Canada? Where's Canada,
There's
Mom?
Canada, United States. Canada is in the top there.
Canada. Huh? I can't
Canada is here.
stick. Okay, I'll stick a white.
So let's stick all the flags.
But where? Okay, Israel. Israel.
Israel.
Mommy, where's your mommy? Israel.
Israel is here.
Magali.
Israel is here. It's very tiny. Israel is a tiny nation. Careful, that's Mongolia, Shiloh, Mongolia. Oh, that's China, sorry. China. So memorize. Look at the flag and memorize it.
New Zealand.
New Zealand. So find New Zealand. It should be...
Australia.
Australia is your Naomi in the bottom.
Australia. This one's... No, I want just... Philippines. Where's the
Mongolia.
Philippines? I think it's right here.
There's the Philippines. You may find the Philippines.
I found it.
Okay, find the Philippines. You may see it. Pink.
Whoa, look. Whoa, here. We had to travel all the way to the Philippines. Here. That's so long. That's a long way to go. I'm not sure if we could travel that far.
And then Naomi, can you put this here? And then put the Israel.
To play for Israel. Israel is a tiny land.
It's here. It's the land of Jesus. Yeah.
The land of Jesus.
What is this?
Israel is my favorite.
Bolivia.
Bolivia.
Olivia.
Child.
Look at the flag.
Child.
Let me say Chile. Chile.
Chile.
Chile. Chile. Chile.
Chile.
Ukraine.
Turkmenistan.
Oh, where was it?
You gotta find
What
it,
is this?
guys. That is Turkmenistan. Turkmenistan. Find it. You
Turkmenistan.
gotta read it. Look at the flag too before you, so you can get
United
familiarized.
Kingdom.
Whoa, United Kingdom. That's where the pilgrims came from. Here, United Kingdom.
Whoa, that's very cool. That's kind
This
of
is South
quick.
Africa.
That's kind of quick. Look,
South.
we have to just travel all the way here.
Oh, there's water.
Hey, you left it in Canada. Put Canada back. And so you need to turn it over so people could see it.
Okay.
See the was it? That's where our missionaries came
Here,
from.
Brazil.
It's from
chicken?
church.
From
They
church
came,
here.
they came to church.
Yeah, what's their last name?
Their names are Elisha, Sarah, and Caleb.
And what's their last name?
The
The
Bell
Bell.
family.
Yeah.
Well,
Russia. Where's the Russia?
New Zealand.
New Zealand. Where's New
New
Zealand?
Zealand. Where is New Zealand, Mommy?
You'll find it here. It's in the very edge.
Whoa.
New Zealand. That's where I want to
It's a
visit.
very small place.
But it's very pretty.
What?
Okay, guys. We really need to go to bed, girls.
Mommy,
Let's wrap this up.
we'll say next time.
See you later. This is a really good homeschooling piece, and it was less than $10, so it's worth the buy. And there's also
Sheila.
flashcards that you can learn with the kids. So I hope you like
Iceland.
this video. I'll link the product in the description. See you in the next one.
I can subscribe to our channel.